This is the Chinese temple. They allowed me to take a video inside. They very nice person. The guard. They asked me to take a video everywhere here. It's okay. I want to take video inside. I really like this kind of temple. This is the temple. Yeah, I will take video inside, and I just want to take. This is the one. The outside of the temple. Later I go and pray. Here. This is the... Alam mo yung pagpasok mo, mabibless ka, mapipil mo yung blessing. This is the best. Yung pagpasok mo, mapipil mo yung blessing. Andito yung sa likod. Sabi nila, pwede ako mag-video. Yeah. No smoking. They have a very nice koi here. I really love this the instructor of the building. I really like it. Sobrang gustong gusto ko ito. Gusto ko to. Chinese temple. The instructor very nice. The uncle allowed me to take a video here. Praying. So many people praying. I will pray later, but I no need to video when I'm praying. I just love this. Uncle. Very nice. You feel so blessed when you're inside. You really feel so blessed. I want to go inside and pray. I want to go inside and pray.